I'm going to show you how to program your Chamberlain keyless entry on your garage door opener. The first thing they tell you is to find the learn button. As you see, my learn button is this purple button here. Okay, once you locate your learn button, you want to go to your keyless entry. As you can see, the instructions are right here, but I'm gonna have them on the side of my video so you can it's easier to see and easier to understand. But the first thing you want to do is press and hold the star and the pound button until the light stops blinking. As you see, the light stops blinking and it's lit up. You want to go to your learn button and push your learn button. As you can see, I'm gonna push my learn button. You see the light is solid, and I'm gonna turn this on to show you what's gonna happen once I program it. It's gonna blink once. Then you go back to your keyless entry and you enter a code, a 4-digit code, which I'm enter 9876. Then you want to hit the enter button and your light should blink. And if it don't blink, you hit it again slowly. As you can see, my light blinked, and to finish it, just hit the 0. And it's done. Now it's programmed. And if you would like to purchase one of these, you could look in my website, or you can look in the description below. My website is www.weldingandstuff.net. And you notice that a few of these keys are dirty, and I noticed that one of my keys stopped working. I think it was the number 2, because I use it all the time. So these things do get wore out, and like I said, you could purchase, look in my description. So let's see if this code works. So we're gonna lower it. You see the garage is going down. So I'm gonna just wait till this light stop blinking, and I'm gonna enter my code. My code is 9876, and I'm gonna hit the enter. It should come right up. And that's all to it. It's easy to program. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and again, visit my website at www.weldingandstuff.net. Okay, and have a great day, and click the like button. Thank you.